Access barcode printing directly from your Howmuch POS dashboard. This quickly streamlines your inventory management. You'll find an intuitive 3-step process for barcode setup. This clear guidance helps you quickly configure your printer and prepare labels, ensuring an efficient workflow without confusion. Easily connect your barcode printer through our system. It intelligently detects available devices, eliminating manual configuration headaches. This ensures your hardware is instantly ready for precise label production, speeding up your entire setup process. Simply select your specific barcode printer from the comprehensive list. This quick selection ensures compatibility and prepares your system for accurate label production, saving you valuable setup time and effort. Customize your label size and language for perfect fit and readability. Easily select products like Sugar 11 for labeling to maintain organized inventory and ensure all product information is accurate. Discover flexible label design options within global configurations. You can choose from various templates like our default or specialized designs to perfectly match your branding needs. This ensures your labels look professional and contain all necessary information, truly streamlining product identification. Now, finalize your print settings by selecting PDF document as the output format. This flexibility allows you to easily share and digitally archive your labels, significantly enhancing your operational efficiency and record keeping. With just a single click, generate your barcode PDF. Your customized labels are instantly ready to save, providing a secure and portable format for all your inventory needs. Instantly review your generated barcode PDF to ensure every detail is accurate, verifying product name, SKU, and price. After confirming, effortlessly close the PDF and exit the settings, giving you complete confidence and control over your inventory labeling.